You can make this braised pork chop with cabbage and bacon any night of the year, but it is kind of perfect for St. Patrick's Day with the parsley sauce that goes on top. It's really easy to make. First of all, you're going to cook the bacon until it's crispy and then remove it to a side plate. Keep the fat in the pan and sear your pork chops right in that bacon fat. Once they're brown, take them out. Add the onions, some mustard seed, dried thyme, fennel seed to the pan and cook it until the onion browns. It won't take long. Push the onions to one side and sear the cabbage wedges just lightly. Now deglaze the pan with chicken stock, return the chops to the pan, nestle it in with the cabbage. It's okay if the cabbage is on top. Send this to the oven with a lid on it at 325 for about 45 minutes. While the chops are braising, that's when we're going to make the parsley sauce. It's a really simple white sauce, just a roux with butter and flour, milk added in, then season it well and add lots of parsley. Lots. Serve these chops over some mashed potatoes, sprinkle on the crispy bacon, and then dollop on that parsley sauce. It's perfect for St. Patrick's Day, but really delicious any day of the year. It may not be much to look at, but if you're sick and tired of corned beef and cabbage for St. Patrick's Day, this braised pork chop with cabbage and bacon might fit the bill.